Hey guys, Dimitri with you today. I'd like to show you how I found the solution for those plastic holders on the string. Oh, by the way, it's a EP3 on the Civic Si. These strings that are holding that cover, this little plastic comes off, it rips off from this string right here. I'm not sure how they put it in, if they glue it or whatever, but this hole is not through, and it's kind of nice when it hangs the way it's supposed to. So it's supposed to be hanging like this, and that's the side that I fixed already. So basically how I did it, you see that little hole, it's not a through hole. So what I did, I drilled it through with a very thin drill bit and then widen it up as you need it. I put the string through it and I made a notch on the end of it, and it's not coming off. So now it's pretty cool, and I can hang it the way it should be. Looks pretty cool. And I'm gonna do the other one the same way. I don't really think you need step by step, but go ahead, let's do it. Let me fix that camera right here. So what I'm doing, I got a drill bit which is pretty thin. I don't know, what is it? So the idea is you need to drill the diameter so the string will go through. So you don't need to put it in the vise or whatever, just slowly drill it through. The first one went pretty smooth. I don't know how this one's gonna go. It should probably got messed up because I start recording it. But anyways, that's the idea. Try not to break it. Here you go. So now it's through. I don't know if you can see it. You can probably see the drill bit. Alright. You know, play with it until this. Take a little bit thicker drill bit and drill it more. I also found it helpful, like if you put something in there and you just open it wider, whatever you have, like, I don't know, a little screwdriver or something, because I don't want to rip it off and break it. So all I need to do is make it wider, so my string's gonna go through it. Or also, what I did, I wiggled it a little bit, like as you drill it with a thin drill bit, you know, play with that. Like, move it under degree, or like 30 degrees or something, 45, whatever it is. Yeah, just slowly. If you mess up inside a little bit, it doesn't really matter. As long as you can put that string through. Let's see. This one really helped. So it's like Torx or whatever, just to widen it. Or if you have, I'm just limited on my drill bits right here, and I just really want to do it right now. So then I get a wider one. I just don't have a drill bit that is between the too wide and too thin, so I'm trying to use whatever tools I have here. So I get a little thicker one, not a little, but a lot. But I don't want to mess it up because it might be too wide. So I'm gonna go and try it out, check if it's gonna fit. Let's see. Let's try this way. So I'm gonna try to fit it. It feels like it's almost there. So what else I do with a thicker drill bit, I go on the other side. I go on that side and open it up a little bit. You also need it wider so your nut is not going to create a problem when you're gonna hang it on that hinge right here. So anyways, all right, let's see. Trying to put that in, twist it, see if it's gonna go through. I think it's still not wide enough. So I'm gonna use my tool to widen it. Again, use it, whatever you can, be creative, but just don't break it, because you probably know everything that you need to buy from a dealer, and that's probably one of those parts that you will. It's gonna cost you a fortune. Okay, so I'm not sure if you can see it from here. You might be able to see it from here. So that thing comes, it comes through right now. Right there. Can't get the focus on. But anyways, it's coming through right now. So continue doing it. Here it comes. Oh, now you can see it. There it is. So I'm gonna pull it. Alrighty. So the string is through, right? So once you're through, make that knot right here on a end of it, just like that, right? And you pull it through. All right, it's all good. Now I'm gonna put it on. There we go. So good luck with that. And I mean, maybe it's too simple and stupid, but guess what? It works. And it's cool. Good luck to you. See you next time.